Yeah, that's how crank looks when the press fit is low and the cheeks get twisted. Isn't that funny? Woo! Yeah, that's how crank looks when the press fit is low and the cheeks get twisted. Yep. Isn't that hilarious?
Yeah, it's pretty hilarious. So this crankshaft never ran, right?
No.
No.
This is just the perfect centering object. 1 kilo copper hammer and you can cause this. Every original crank, you cannot do this with an original crank.
Okay.
And that's supposed to be a tuning part.
Yeah.
That's worse than original.
I think it's so bad that it probably wouldn't even turn within the.
Of course not.
Within the engine cases, it would be scraping against.
In these Molossi cases, I tried to measure it. It was not screwed up like this. A little bit less. It blocked.
It's
So
stuck on something. Yeah.
if you have low press fit, the cheeks twist, and it damages the rotary valve pad in the engine case.
So what's the deal with welding the pin?
Bolini crank.
Shortly after getting married. Yes, yes, yes.
We have a guest here. Say hi.
Hello.
Who's that? That's Jean. World famous Vespa driver. That's his crank. Yep. That looks reasonable. Centering is good. Let's see how straight the stumps are. I once had a Polini, but the stumps were angled.
Good enough for government work.
This is fine. Let's see this side. A little bit hard to measure. Start the water side. That's fine. Okay. So let's get the hammer. Let's get hammered. Who got hammered yesterday?
Not me.
Okay. So. And this is, with this test, where specific crankshafts twist like butter. Just 2 knocks, 1 kilo copper hammer, and it's not allowed to twist. You see? Nothing changed. See it?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's good press fit here.
That's rock steady.
This is what original cranks offer. They don't twist. That's the press fit. Of course, it's still amateur and so on and so forth, but it's a simple test. Yeah. If there's enough press fit or not. And certain crankshafts do twist. Look, no change.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Good.
Approved.
So that is a balanced crank.
No, balancing is something else.
Oh.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
This is round. This is not. These teeth are definitely round. These are edgy.